Now with a look to things to look out for to keep our dogs cool and keep them safe. Jill, I've seen a lot of people post online how hot the concrete can get for your dog's feet, and you've got a suggestion here about getting them their own pool.
Yeah, look at this. They love the water. You want to make sure to keep your pet totally cool this summer. This is a bad heat wave. There's also pad protectants that you can actually spray on your pet's feet that are waterproof. So you want to make sure to keep them swimming and happy, squirt them down. Natalie here loves the water, although it doesn't look like it too much. But get it. Sometimes I like to throw ice cubes in the swimming pool for them to catch and retrieve.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Go get him.
So you just
Natalie
want
likes ice cubes.
you want to make sure if you can't get them a whole pool like that, you want to make sure they always have access to water or ice in their bowl or something like that, right?
Absolutely. You want to make sure that they're always in a cool environment. If you have a squirt bottle, they actually make cool collars now. They make cool pads. I don't know if you can see this, but that will actually keep your pet cool when they're laying on it in the cement. I recommend tons of shade. Never let them out direct sunlight. And also, I want to make sure people know never to let them sit in the car, not even for a minute. It can heat up to well over 110 degrees within 3 minutes. So you cook your pet.
And they can go into heat stroke. Let's also talk about sunscreen. We often think about it for ourselves and for our children, but you're saying there's also sunscreen for your dogs.
Right. I actually make an organic sunscreen. It's phenomenal because it's non-toxic. It is not toxic to pets when you put it on them. You can put it on their ear tips, their faces, overall bodies as well, even for long-haired animals, especially kitty cats on the tips of their ears because that's where they sunburn. They're prone to cancers, skin cancers, things of that nature. That will protect them. It also has an insect repellent in it as well. Let's
also talk about ticks and bee stings. You said you've been seeing a lot of bee stings this year?
Tons. Look at that. You can see a bee right here where we're standing. Tons of bees and wasps this year. So we want to be really careful. I usually tell my clients to have some Benadryl on hand just in case. Make sure to call your veterinarian first before you administer any medications. I like this homeopathic. There's a homeopathic bug bite remedy that you can use as well. And then make sure you have some topical anti-inflammatory creams if they actually bite. Get your pet to the nearest emergency clinic if you witness any sort of vomiting, any sort of facial swelling or difficulty breathing. Those are all signs of an insect bite.
Wonderful. Dr. Jyl, you've got always great products and wonderful advice, stuff a lot of people don't think of. Make sure to keep our pets and ourselves warm. Dr. Jyl, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right, 9:48.